Hello, I've just got in from teaching a one-day workshop in Bath in Somerset. It was for people suffering from stress and anxiety, depression, panic attacks, that type of thing. There was just 6 people in the workshop and it wouldn't have mattered if there was one. It was a fantastic day. Everybody got something out of it. Uh, Whether you've meditated before or not, there were some people who were very experienced at meditation and they still said that it was the most amazing meditation day that they had had. But there were people brand new to meditation and they loved it and they found it easy and it really gave them confidence. At the end of the day, they could go away and really help themselves on a daily basis. Anyway, the purpose of this video is if you want more help and you'd like us to do a workshop in your area, north, south, east or west of the country or in Scotland, just put your name down and I'll send you an email next time we've got a workshop in your area. So click the button below this video, and as I say, there's no obligation. It's just I can let you know whether you're north, south, east, west, Scotland, wherever. I'll let you know when we're in your area and where the workshop is, and we'd love to have you come along. Alright, so it's clicking the button hopefully below this video. Alright, see you soon. Bye for now.